it's Leah at buttercreamparties.com. Today I want to show you how to make these really pretty fall leaf cookies using the frozen buttercream cutout method. These cookies are so easy because you don't need any icing bags or piping tips. You probably already have all the tools in your kitchen. So for the video, I'm just going to be showing you how to do the frosting method, but make sure to check out the blog post linked in the description to find the recipes and tutorials for the sugar cookie as well. So first off, what you're going to want to have is 3 shades of buttercream frosting. I've prepared red, orange, and yellow. And you're going to want to lay out a piece of parchment paper that will fit onto a cookie sheet. So place the colored buttercream frosting onto the parchment paper in globs, like I'm doing here. And you probably want them to be about a tablespoon or more in size. Alright, so then you're going to want to take another piece of parchment paper and lay that on top of the buttercream. Roll out the frosting to no less than 1/4 inch thick. The frosting needs to be pretty thick, otherwise transferring it to the cookie can be a bit difficult. If you want your buttercream finish to be smoothed, go ahead and place this onto the cookie sheet as is. Since these are leaves, I want to go ahead and add some texture by creating a crinkle effect. So to do this, just take another piece of parchment paper, crumple it up, unfold it, and press that onto the buttercream frosting. You can use foil here too for a more prominent texture, but I like to avoid aluminum when I can. Alright, and then you're just going to go ahead and place the frosting into the freezer for at least an hour. So once the buttercream frosting is frozen, go ahead and remove the parchment paper. And then use the same cookie cutter that you used for your sugar cookies to cut out the frosting and place it onto the baked sugar cookie. And I have some tips on the blog post for transferring the buttercream as well. Here I'm just using my favorite palette knife to help get the frosting off of the cutter and onto the cookie. So basically you're just going to repeat this step for each cookie, and then you want to make sure to rinse and dry the cutter every few cookies just so it doesn't get too messy. And then allow the cookies to sit for about 30 minutes to allow the buttercream to better adhere to the cookie. And that's it. So these are so pretty and would look absolutely amazing sitting on the dessert table at Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite Thanksgiving dessert? And as always, happy decorating. For more tutorials, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.